Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Arit, I'm an educational speaker and a blogger. In my last video, I have discussed about male reproductive system. I hope this video helps to you. And my today's topic is female reproductive system. Before start the session, I request those who are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's start the video. The female reproductive system is made up of external and internal sex organs. Their function is to reproduction of offspring. In human, the female reproductive system is immature at the time of birth, but it develops maturity at the time of puberty and able to produce gametes. There are primary and secondary sex organ in female reproductive system. The primary sex organ is ovary, and the secondary sex organs are labia majora, labia minora, clitoris, vagina, uterus, and fallopian tube. So we discuss all of the secondary sexual parts of female reproductive system. First we come to labia majora. Labia majora is a leaf-like external structure that covers the other reproductive parts of reproductive system in case of female. Now we discuss about labia minora. Labia minora is a smaller leaf-like external structure that lies inside the labia majora, and it provides the clitoris, vaginal opening, and uterus. Now coming into clitoris. Clitoris is the most sensitive sexual part of female reproductive system. It located the uppermost section of the vaginal opening. Clitoris contains thousands of sensitive nerve endings that respond to the sexual stimulation and promote vaginal lubrication. Now coming into vagina. Vagina is the fibrous muscular canal leading from cervix to the external portion of genital canal. Penis enters into the vagina during sexual intercourse. Now coming into cervix. Cervix is the opening of the uterus, the strong narrow structure that expands to allow the sperms to flow from the vagina to the uterus. Now we're coming into uterus. Uterus is the internal organ that houses and nurtures the female gamete after fertilization, the commonly called womb. The placenta, which encases the growing embryo, develops and attaches itself to the uterine wall during pregnancy. An umbilical cord stretches from the fetus to the placenta to provide nutrients from mother to the unborn baby. Fallopian tube is the uterine tube that transport the egg cells from the ovaries to the uterus. The fertile egg cells are released into the fallopian tube during ovulation and typically fertilized from there. Now we're coming into the primary reproductive structure, which is called the ovary. Ovary is the primary reproductive structure that produces female gametes called eggs and female sex hormones. There is one ovary on either side of the uterus. Now we're coming into ovarian hormones and their functions. Ovaries produce two groups of hormones. One is progesterone, another is estrogens. Actually, there are three types of estrogens. One is estradiol, then estrone, and another is estriol. These substances work together to promote a healthy development of female sex characteristics during puberty and to ensure fertility. Estradiol especially, is instrumental in breast development, fat deposition in hips, legs, and development of reproductive organs. To a lesser extent, ovaries produces another hormone called relaxin. This hormone is released prior to giving birth. And another hormone that ovaries produce called inhibin. Inhibin is important for stimulating the pituitary to inhibit the follicle stimulating hormone secretion. So this is all about female reproductive system. I hope this video helps to you, mainly the zoology students. If you have any query regarding the topic, you can make your comment below. I make a video on that topic and give your solution. If you like the video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. I'll coming soon with my new video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.